Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode on Vedic Mathematics from Syllabus Coach. Today we are going to teach you a new technique on fast multiplication. What is it? Fast multiplication. Without any further delay, let me take an example and explain you the concept. For example, if you have a number in the format A and B, the number is a two-digit number and it's in the format AB, and then you're multiplying this number with one more number which is of the format AC. That means the first one digit of each of the numbers is same, right? Both are having the same digit. And now one more condition that we need to have is the sum of these two digits B plus C should be 10. What is it? B plus C should be 10. And now you know what is the answer for this question? Simple. It is A into A plus 1. You will have these two digits on the left hand side and then B into C on the right hand side. Simple. This is a shortcut and you will be able to solve these kind of questions in less than 20 seconds. Got it? So let's take an example and you'll be able to understand it very properly. So what is it? See, I'm repeating the technique again. You have a number AB. What is it? You have a number AB and now you're multiplying the same number with AC where the first two digits are equal. And now one more condition on this kind of multiplication is the sum of B plus C should be equal to 10. What is it? The sum of B plus C should be equal to 10. And in that case, the answer to this question is A into A plus B, A plus 1 on the left hand side and B into C on the right hand side. Hope you're clear with this concept. It will be clear if I take an example. Let me take an example without any delay. What's the first question, students? The first question is 72 into 78. What is it? 72 into 78. What is the first step? You can see that there is a number called 7 which is equal for both the numbers. So you write 7 into 7 plus 1. What is it? 7 into 8, which is 56, isn't it? And now what is the right hand side number, which is 8 into 2, which is 16. What is it? 16. So 8 into 2 is 16. Therefore the answer to this question is 5616, isn't it? Let's take few more examples to make the concept clear. The next question is 86 into 84. First condition, these two numbers should be equal. Therefore, I can directly write it as 8 into 8 plus 1, which is 9, which comes on the left hand side. And these two numbers, their sum is equal to 10. Therefore, I can directly write them as 6 into 4. Therefore, the answer to this question is 72 and 24. Amazing. Great. Let's take one more example. With 3 digits. What is it? With 3 digits. You have 112 into 118, isn't it? You have two numbers which are equal and two numbers whose sum is equal to 10. What is it? Whose sum is equal to 10. Therefore, I can directly write it as 11 into 12 because n into n plus 1. And then we have 2 into 8. What is it? 16 students. So 11 into 12 is nothing but 132 and then we have 16. Therefore, the answer to this question is 13216. Now, with this concept, let's try to bring in one more concept where we'll try to identify the squares of numbers which are ending in 5. What is it? Which are ending in 5. So let's say you have 75 square. What is it? 75 square. It's obviously 75 into 75, isn't it? Right? Now, 75, both the numbers are equal. So I can directly write it as 7 into 8, isn't it? Because it's n into 10 plus 1. And the sum of these two digits is equal to 10 again. Therefore, 5 into 5 is 25, right? So the answer to this question is 5625, isn't it? So one thing that you need to keep in mind is any number which is actually ending in 5 and you're trying to find the square of that particular number, we can use this concept and this concept is going to give you answer in just less than 10 seconds, isn't it? You'll get it in less than 10 seconds. So what you need to do for these kind of questions, any number that is ending with 5, you'll straight away write the last two digits as 5 square because you know that every time it is just 5 into 5 because 5 plus 5 is 10, it's 25 always. Therefore, any number whose value is ending with 5, the square of that number will always have 25 in the end. So that's the fixed. So this is fixed where any number ending with 5 will have 25 in the end. And now this number, because it's 65 into 65, you have the same number in the beginning. You can directly write it as 6 into 7. Therefore, 40 to 25 is the answer for this question. So, we'll write a general formula for this kind of questions. What is it? General formula for this kind of questions. Let's write 95 square. So, it is 9 into 10 into 25. 25, it's 90, 25 is the answer for this question, right? Therefore, any number in the form of n5 whole square, the answer for this question is nothing but 25 on the right hand side and then n into n plus 1 on the left hand side. So this is the general formula for any number that is ending in 5. Therefore, it's very important that you remember this particular technique so that it will be handy for you in every single competitive exam. Hope all of you are clear with the techniques that we have dealt in today's class. Hope you're loving it, and then see you soon in the next class. Thank you so much for all your love. Keep liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much, students.